Well, Badger and I were sitting here on a beautiful, beautiful summer-like day in spring still, with our binos, and we were looking across the river. I'll show you here in a second. We found ourselves another tunnel. Couldn't believe it. We have never seen it before, and we're gonna go see if we can go fit the boat through it. Badger's inside changing right now.
Hiya.
Oh. Probably can't. Screen's in the way. This ought to be interesting. It's a smaller tunnel. I don't know if you ever seen our video with going through the tunnels to the bake shop, but we found a new one. And this ought to be interesting. We're gonna put on our little river shoes. We need to do a recon on this. Ain't that right, Nick? One of my subscribers, he's an old squid. I'm an old jarhead, so we're gonna do a little recon. Check out this tunnel, see if we get the boat through. This ought to be interesting. Stick around, you might like it. Here, I'll show you. Here, hold on a second. There's a cabin. Yeah, we were taking our binos here and looking across the river, and the water's low, and I can't zoom in on it yet, but over there's a tunnel. I can't really see it from here, but anyway, over there's a little tunnel we're gonna go through. All right, talk to y'all later. Well, we're getting ready to leave our little cabin and our lush, beautiful island. Oh, we wait all winter for the greenery, and it's here. We just love this island in the summertime. It's just beautiful. Down this little trail to our little boat, and we're gonna put this little boat. We haven't done it yet, but I'll be putting a picture right here of the tunnel, and we're gonna put this little boat through that tunnel. If you're seeing this, then we did it. So I'll see you on the river. We'll see you on the river. A few seconds here. All right. Yeah, see, it's around this bend right here. That's why you can't really see it from the other side. But it's around this bend here. You just see just a little bit with the binos. You can't really see it through the camera. Yeah, the motor's a little sick still. Motor shops are backed up for weeks, so we're still fine with just putting. But like we said in our introduction, we take our boat places that other people won't, and we go where other people won't. Well, I don't think anybody else is going to try this. We're almost there. I'm going to hand it to Badger here in just a few minutes. Going up on it. Coming up on it, we're evaluating the situation here. I don't know if let me get a little closer here. Oh, nice. Yeah, we got an oar just in case we have to get out. I'm ready to swim in case we got an oar just in case we have to paddle. All right. Here, I'm gonna be. Hold on, I'm gonna go around. In a minute. Okay, let me open her up a little bit more. Okay, you want to take it, hon? Badger? That good?
Yep.
Oh, man. Oh, brother. Yeehaw. River rat.
2 river rats.
Bogged down, yeah.
Spooky. Ooh, look at the fish in here.
Huh? Yeah, I
Look
know.
at the fish in here. Shit.
Oh my God, we're gonna do it.
They're jumping.
I'll be good. I was ready to get out any time. $10 What's on this side? You want here, hand. Check the depth. We good? Other side of the road. This looks shallow here. Uh-oh, yeah, we're bogging down. Let's throw it. Throw it in reverse. Oh, it's pretty over here. I wonder how deep it is. Well, if it comes through this tunnel, it's got to be fairly deep. Right here. Here, you want to hold this? I'm going to try to get out and see how deep it is. Here. Hope I don't blind you with my bald head. I gotta go down and see if the. Can you see what? See? I gotta see how deep this is. It comes through the spillway.
Would you like to take your glasses off? Yeah.
Good idea. It's about 8 feet deep. Let's see if we can pull the boat through. See if I can walk it. Anybody WSQ out there? Oh, water survival qualified.
Oh, stop. Right, there's a snake, water snake, right there. He's right there. Look at him. Man.
More scared of me than that.
Yeah, well, guess what? He's got some stripes on him. You gonna go through here?
Oh, it's shallow. It opens up a little more.
Is your motor out?
No. No, it's okay. It was just bumping, so. I can walk now.
Won't take me long.
Huh?
I got me a limo driver.
It drops off there. Where's half current? We gotta go through this spillway when it's a little higher.
Yeah, I wanna come through here.
This is pretty neat. It's pretty cool. Ooh, that must be current spots.
The what?
It just gets a little deep. I should take my river shoes off.
Well, seeing the size of that snake, leave him on.
Minnows are.
I want to get some lures over here.
What, do you want me to get them for you?
Well, here you might have to take my blade. They're to the left. Where people got their lines stuck.
The main river.
Well, that was fun. See right there, there's a bunch of... You getting in or what?
Wait, you want to get it? No, right here.
No, I can get it.
I can get it, huh? I need your knife. Oh, my lighter's wet.
I got plenty of lighters.
That's just a bobber, huh?
Nothing hooked to it?
No.
Oh, that's just bitch fishing. I don't want to bother.
Bitch fishing.
Yeah, I don't like that. You getting in or what?
Yep, main river now. Let's see if I can get back here. Don't drop the camera. Okay. Well, mission accomplished.
Let's go smack that snake.
Smack that snake.
Yeah.
Back at the island. Back at our little cabin. That was fun for us. I hope it was for you all. But anyway, yeah, on our way back we saw another tube. That one is a... Here, I'll show you when we get back to the cabin. We're gonna do... Well, mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. We made it through the tube. We didn't think we were gonna make it through. Yeah, we're always doing crazy stuff out here at the river. Pedaling off bridges, walking across the ice, going through tunnels. We got another one right here. We've been in before. It's a longer one. Yeah, I mean, it's real long. It's like a couple 100 yards long. It goes to a creek. We're gonna see if we can take the boat through that one. So feel free to subscribe if you like. Hope you enjoyed the ride. We enjoyed it. All right, Semper Fi.